have rigged your model, here's an extra tab that will provide additional tools for you to use. So if you would like to rename your item, you can simply type the new name and then select the control and you hit rename. You will see that the joint, the geo, the geo and also the control group have the name changed. You can also change the color of the control. For example, I don't like the green color. I'll select these three and I'll change it to yellow maybe. And you can also delete the item that you don't want to have. For example, I don't want this arm rotator. I'll just select the control and then hit delete. Now you can still have other controls, but the one that you selected was deleted. You can still move other things around, except the component that included in the control. And there are also some video tutorials under, which is the ones that you have already seen probably. You click the button and it will lead you to the link. Thank you.